Hi Kasinyo guys, welcome back to my channel Yube's Vlog. We will repair this stand fan standard model SSB-16 65 watts. Close circuit resistance readings okay. But not spinning and no humming sound when we test it. But the shafting rotation is real. You see, run capacitor is bulging. But the shafting rotation is prevalent. We'll replace the bulging run capacitor 1.7 UF. Safety tip: discharge capacitor before testing. You see, zero capacitance guys, very bad capacitor. We don't have 1.7 new capacitor, so we'll use this old 2 UF for replacement. Run capacitor for replacement equals 1.76 UF 450 DEC rating. Now we'll just lubricate the rear and front bushing before reassembly. If you're new here guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap notification bell for you to be informed on my next upload videos. Thanks. Test running. So it's spinning now guys. Part of my repair is cleaning all parts to satisfy my clients. We're almost done guys. Please like and subscribe Yube's Vlog. Final test running. Okay. We're done guys. Please visit video description links for more repair videos and parts link. Thanks for watching guys. God bless. Love and pray. Yob's Vlog.